guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to create this look for the occasion of Durga Puja. So without any further ado, let's get into it. This is the saree I am going to wear today. So this is a complete white saree with sequin works, and there are sequins all over the saree, white sequins on white chiffon fabric. And I got this saree from Meesho and I got it for rupees 758, and the blouse piece also comes separately with this plain white piece. So I don't know I am going to stitch it or not, but today I am going to wear this saree with another white blouse. Let's see how it looks. I have applied my moisturizer and prepped my skin for the makeup. So I'm starting with the primer, and I'm going to use the Blue Heaven primer, and I feel this is a nice primer in the affordable range. I have some pimple marks on the forehead and some unevenness in this area, so I'm going to correct them with orange corrector. Now I'll blend the orange corrector with a damp beauty blender. Now it's time for foundation, and here I am using the most popular Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am spreading the foundation as dots all over my face. Now I'll spread the dots with my fingertips before using a beauty blender, and this gives me a nice blend. Now I'll blend the foundation properly with the damp beauty blender. Now I'll do the same with the neck. Now I'm going with the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer to conceal and brighten up some areas, and I have kept the loose powder ready. I'll apply the concealer in very little amount under my eyes, near my mouth, chin, and the forehead, and the nose bridge, and then below my contour line. Now I'll contour my face with the 𝐿𝐴 contour stick. I'm contouring my nose too. Now I'll blend everything very well. Immediately I'll apply the loose powder to bake my under eyes, and I'll apply some also below my contour line. Now I will use this pink lipstick as blush, and honestly I have never invested on a blush palette till now, and I prefer blending this with my fingertips. Now let's move on to the eyes, and I'll start with the eyebrows. And here I am using the ADS eyebrow powder to make the eyebrows. I will apply some concealer on my both eyelids, which will work as an eye primer. Now I am picking this very light brown shade to apply on the crease line. Now I am picking this very light pink and silvery kind of shade, and I don't want this eye look to be very bold and vibrant. I just want a glowy eyelid for this look. Then I'm choosing a little darker shade to define the outer corner. Now I'm taking some concealer on a sharp brush to give the edges a clean look. Now I'll dust off the loose powder with a fluffy brush. I'm going to apply a black eyeliner, and this is again from NYB. Now with the same eyebrow powder that I used to make the eyebrows, I will smudge my lower waterline. Now I'm taking the rose gold shade from the In Color highlighter palette and applying on my cheekbones, chin and the forehead. Then with the white shade I'm highlighting my inner corner and I'll apply the same shade on my nose bridge too. Now I'm giving my lashes a little more curl with the help of an eyelash curler. And to give them some volume, I am going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now finally it's time to apply a beautiful shade of lipstick, and I am applying a fuchsia pink shade, and this is from Sequin. Last but not the least, I have to set my makeup with a makeup setting spray, and here I am using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. As the makeup is done, I have put on my saree and now I am going to wear this white tassel earrings. Now I am putting a single bangle on one of my hands. And I have chosen this silvery oxidized neck piece with mirror works. I have straightened my hair and kept them open with middle parting. Now with a clear stone bindi, this look gets completed.